Okay fans, today I'm going to try my first unboxing video. So we've got a box that just arrived from HealeyMade and we'll see what's inside. There we go. Ooh, got a bunch of stuff here. Okay, so this is his work with Super 7, super7.com right there. This is his figure that he did with them. It's been released in general stores. I've seen it at FYE and a couple of other locations. I think even Walmart is now carrying Super 7. Really nice. Look at the colors. Oh, I love the kind of yellow piping on the shoulders. Yellow eyes. Pegs for the feet. This one was released first, and now this one's out. I don't know when this one is happening. Cool. Let's see what else is in here. So, a couple of these guys. Ooh. Factory sealed. Comes with a spare head. Dual rockets on the back. Oh, look at this nice little gold clasp on the back. Also comes with a rifle and spare rockets. Nice packaging too. Let's see what's in this one. Ah, another color. Ooh. See, there we go. Skull and crossbones. The red eye patch. Again, dual rockets. And the extras. Let's see. Another head. Spare rockets and a handgun. And let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, we got one more item. Ooh, look at this guy. Bull Kaiju, watch out. Ooh, look at that blue. Oh, this one, let's see if I can open it carefully. Wow, look at this guy. Even a little writing on the bottom of the feet. Nice. Thanks, David.